Hello and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print Reflections of Life small thank you cards. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side, and underneath our Layouts option, we'll make sure that Small is selected. Next, we'll go into the Print Info button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF file has generated, we'll want to review both the front and back of the document to be sure that everything has uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print. And depending on if you would like to print only the inside or if you want your logo on the outside, will determine which pages you will need. To print your logo, make sure that all pages are selected. To only print the inside, click Pages number 2, and it will only print the inside. Today, we'll go ahead and print the logo, so we'll have all pages selected, as well as actual size, print on both sides of the paper. We're going to flip on the long edge because it is a portrait template. On the right-hand side, you'll notice that the document size and page size do not match in width and height. That's because this is a custom page size. To fix this, we'll go into the Advanced Properties and make a few changes at the bottom. Our document size will be changed to a custom paper size. Our orientation will remain with portrait. We'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Next, we have our paper type, and this will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink stays on the paper. Next, because this is a custom paper size, we'll go into the detailed settings and define our custom page size here. This is an 8.5 by 10 sheet, so we'll change the width and height here and click OK. At this point, you can register your current settings by naming your one-click preset here and selecting OK. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.